If somebody had told me a couple of years ago that I would be living in a tiny home in a forest and I would be collecting cow poo to burn in a copper pyramid, I would have thought they were crazy, Daisy. Nonetheless, here I am, doing just that. As the saying goes, healing ain't for the faint of heart, but it's definitely a journey worth taking. And I am so grateful to be here and to be able to perform this beautiful, magical, miraculous ceremony called Agnihotra. Connecting to nature, connecting to the animals, working with the elements of the earth, the water, the air and the fire is so healing on a very, very deep level. It really does feel so wild and freeing living in the forest. I feel so connected to Mother Earth and all of her blessings. Working with the element of fire is such a beautiful feeling, so purifying and cleansing on a very deep level. Adventuring into the forest to collect pine cones is now a daily routine for Marley and me. Agnihotra is a ritual of lighting a fire in a small copper pyramid pot, using dried cakes of cow dung and offering ghee and rice to the fire at the time of sunrise and sunset with the whisper of 2 Sanskrit mantras. Its origin is traced to Rig Veda, where positive gains of physical and mental health and energy are preached with regular practice of this ritual. It has no religious or cultural bias. To counteract the environmental pollution and enhance the tranquility of one's mind, it is practiced by an increasing number of people belonging to various religions and culture, both in the East and the West. I thought you might be here to do some weeding for me. It's the baby, brown heaps, eh? Oh yeah, here goes all my blackberries I've been trying to grow. Other than India, its popularity has achieved a new height during the last decade in the USA, West Germany, Switzerland, France, Spain, Holland, Austria, Italy, Chile, and many other countries. The most potent cow dung that is used is from the mother cow, who still has her horns. She's just beautiful. She really is. Frilled. Frilled. Amongst therapists, it is known as homotherapy. Homotherapist Muley has described the effect of Agnihotra in curing drug addicts of their drugs, specialising in heroin and alcohol.
When I looked after Nandi, he was a baby, always following around. And I was up at the garden at the door open. I came back and he was in the living room.
He was where?
He was in the entrance of the living room inside.
Oh,
Same size as the baby calf.
Oh. Inspired by this, they tried Agnihotra with drug addicts at an army hospital in India. One of the outstanding observations was an officer of 25 years of age who was addicted to heroin. Despite years of struggling to get off the drug, which he achieved physically more than a few times, although his psychological addiction kept him trapped in the endless addiction cycle. After just a few weeks of him practicing this sacred healing fire, he had no inclination to go back to heroin and stayed off the drug even after he stopped performing the ritual. This was a magical night for me, spending time with the cows sitting around the fire. Connecting to them on a deep soul level made me realise how sacred these animals are. They are the ancient ones, and they hold all the knowledge and wisdom of our Mother Earth. day been burning fire. My hair smells like smoke. So good. Oh, so natural.